Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to explain that how we can create a thumbnail in less time. For that purpose I will use Canva digital tool, and to save time I have already created a planning sheet, and here you can see that my video topic is choose a digital marketing company. So I will use a phrase digital marketing company in thumbnail title. I will not write complete sentence. Will I use any picture? Will I include any picture? Yes, I will include my picture. Text font, any text font which I will like, I will include. And elements I will not use because I am using ready-made template. So these are some ingredients of my planning. So I am starting to observe my performance, that in how much time and in how many minutes I will create this thumbnail. I will click here, so it will calculate the time which I will consume during the creation of thumbnail. So I am clicking here and it is starting here. Attention please, before formally starting this video, in the next few seconds you will know that my name is Imran, and this channel is the right place for you to learn about digital marketing and earning online as an entrepreneur, to grow and accelerate fast. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit bell icon to access all videos, updates and links in the description box below. Now back to the video. Okay, so I'm starting here. I clicked on create a design, and here I will type YouTube thumbnail, or here I can also click directly. Once I will type, it will automatically appear. Now you can see here that there are many options. I will click on photos and you can choose many photos. I am using this photo which is showing me in recent use. You can choose according to your choice. So I will adjust it according to my need. Now it's adjusted on the whole canvas. Now I am going to upload. I will click on images and I will choose my image, any image which I like, and I will choose any picture which is suitable. Here there are many pictures, so sometimes it may take some time to decide, otherwise it's very easy. I am choosing this one. Okay, this is looking good, so I am choosing here. Okay, and I am adjusting it now. Okay, and I am adjusting here, so it should be okay. So now you can see that I am pointing towards here, and now it is almost done, and you can see that how much time it consumed, 1 minute and 36 seconds. But if I want to include some text as well, so I will include text, heading and a subheading. Now I will suggest that you should group them. You should select both and then click on group. Now you can easily drag and you can adjust according to your need. Okay, now what is our heading? Our heading is digital marketing company. So first I will choose word digital. I will copy and I will write here. I will paste here actually digital, and here I will paste marketing company in the subheader. So I am pasting here. So now I can change color. I will go to color option. I am selecting red here, and here I am selecting this color. Okay, and I will now make it bigger according to my need. Yeah, now it's ready. Now you can see that even I included text. So how much time it took? Almost 3 minutes. So in 1.5 to 3 minutes you can create a an eye-catching thumbnail without any much effort. And you can see here that it's very reasonable, and what I feel that if your audience is very attached to you, they will understand that what I am explaining here, that vision, goal, strategy and action. I'm pointing towards action. So action means success. These all are the ingredients of success, but the main ingredient is action. So in my opinion, it is a very good thumbnail and it is attractive thumbnail. Now you can click on download, and you can download it, and you can use it in your videos as well. Okay, hopefully you like this tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you found this video useful, then good news is that you can check links of some more valuable videos in the description section, and many more videos are in the pipeline. Hopefully you will remain connected with me, and for that purpose subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. I am also waiting for your feedback in the comment section. Have a nice time.